Hi, welcome to clickmyproject.com. Let us see our project title is Fast Transmission to Remote Cooperative Groups, a New Key Management Paradigm. Multicast the data to cooperative groups, the emerging technology to overcome the problem of limitation. Group members share the group key through novel key management. Multicasting group has facility to add or remove members. Each member maintains a single public secret key pair. In this scheme facilitates simple yet efficient member deletion, addition and flexible rekeying strategies. See our project data flow diagram is, we can start the process to create a center. So first of all, creating a center process, that group owner information sending the admin process. The next process, create the network which users are the group owner, how much of users to add. Our grouping process, that user want file should be transferring the owner file. So next process is member organization. So member organization separated in two processes, member add line and member delete line. So finally the merging of group partition. The member organization, member add line, which users we want any file to add owner group, that user we want deletion of this group to request an admin process to deleting the grouping of particular change group owner key, because that key is used deleted user is possible, we have to use it in after deletion of this group. So security purpose of key changing the any user deletion after key changing in our owner key. So the member add line want any file, so which file we want this user, that same file admin we will check into the owner requesting the user file system. The next process is apply novel key management. After the creating the network, the group key is generated in the admin process. The key generation during time interval, the public key and grouping owner key and TTP key is generated in the same owner key sharing to group members. So which users to add this group, that owner key is sending the group users. Next process is encryptions. The group owner encrypted the owner file, so encrypted data in getting the information of the owner file. So encrypted data, so if any user file we want this file, so user add this group, so that encrypted data is sending the process of which users do you want. So users only getting that encrypted data files to, after reaching the files in users to decrypt the process. So actual data will be displayed here. We can see our demo here. The novel group key management for achieving high level of group data transfer. The group key agreement for members maintain a single public key. Sender and cooperative group user, the common group key mechanism. While user enter our information, give to admin process. Purpose of our project to sharing files in our group users only. Group owner file to avoid the another group. The file sharing into the group owner file process, it's easy to transferring the group user only, doesn't transferring another file. So we enter group owner information to create in group key, providing the admin into the user. So the group owner name enter on text box 1. So I enter in group owner name Bala. So address will be Chennai. The storage size 4. The storage size, how much of size should transferring grouping user, first we have enter that file size only transferring the file, the size apart from this file doesn't transferring the group users. So I enter in 4 GB. Group owner mail ID bala@gmail.com. So start name Bala. To click on the store button, it generates the storage key in the group owner. So to click on the group key button to generate the certificate key in displayed here. So to click on the group owner key button, group key is generated providing the admin process in group owner. So the key will allocated into the group owner information stored in the admin process. So to click on the next button, admin providing the group owner key. So the key is placed in the text box. So group owner selected the one file to send. Group users have to select these files. So I have to select in one text box. Owner selected file size and key. The type key is hash key. A hash key generates a security purpose. What inside the owner selected file to creating the key is file user. The same key is generated after receiving the user. There is no content losses to know because the security purpose of the key will be generated. To click on the file key button, so key will be updated in the owner file. So to click on the group owner key button, we'll check in admin process the same owner key is correct or not. The owner key verified successfully. To click on the certificate key button, the TTKP key is verified successfully. Or to click on the data store button, the outsourced data successfully stored in CSP. CSP means cloud service provider. So to click on the next button, the owner key is placed in the text box. So to click on the files button, which group owner file allocated the same key, that file only generated the file path. So to click on the view button, which file to send in group owner, that file content is shown here. So to click on the encrypt button, user file is encrypting before transferring the admin process. Admin we starting the server process, so admin getting information of group owner. So to click on the add button, user send our information to admin. So user which file to selected and user's group owner key transferred in admin process. So admin process getting information of owner key. So a new user we want one file. First of all, add this any group. After these files are getting this file. So new user onto any file. First of all, to click the addition button. So to click the view file button, to view on the file name, what are the files into the admin process, that file, how many owner recognize that file system. To click on the count file, so user we have seen in file name and file size and file description. To click on the request button, so the new user add this group. So to enter on username, to click on the user key, so new user adding the process, that user we are creating key generated the particular user. So descriptions, I need file. So user request in admin process. So admin we get into the information in new user. So to starting the server process, to click on the select file button, the new user requesting send in successfully. To shown on file size and file name, which I need these files, so I requested in admin process. So admin process, to click on the get file system, so user requesting the file system. So user selected process display here. So need text document 12.txt file. Admin getting information of user want file system. User which file we want key request in admin process, that admin enter on file name. User enter on file name. To click on this button to view on the and DTP key and file size and file path. So to verify admin we check that files are which group owner to give, that owner ID getting of our file name, that owner key sent to user process. A new user we want file of owner key getting information success. So to click on the updated user button, so a new user add this group only. So user got the information of selecting path file. So I have to select that file system to shown on encrypted to get this information of new user in encrypted format. So to click on the view button, both files are equal. So new user getting the decrypting the data of real data, we are getting the information of the new user. A user want to delete the grouping file system, the group owner key was changing the admin process. To change in updated key process is user key. So how many users the user group in owner key and how many users deleted owner key. So the final analysis process, to click on the network button, so how many users to connecting the network in the group owner file. So to click on the add user button, which users to add newly in group owner, that username only shown here, that user how to spend file taking the process, that user same processing files, the user same time to getting the file in grouping process. To click on the deletion button, which user deleted in group owner, so in grouping process, that user ID shown here. So to click on the encrypted button, How many users so totally getting whole information content didn't losses in encrypted format. Thank you.